Should you buy Crowcoin here in December? So let's just say you missed the boat a little bit in November. You didn't get in when they announced the Staples Center was changing its name to Crypto.com Arena when it was roughly 47 cents. I may or may not have loaded my bags then, but I was also in at 11 cents. And that is something I am very grateful for. And shout out to Zay, who is in our private community over at the Patreon. You can belong to the Patreon today. This link is down below in the description. We got into Crow at 11 cents, okay? This is the type of community we're building. We're helping each other get into plays very, very early, and we're all growing together, and let's win together, all right? Link down below in the description. Perfect time to sign up today. $10 packages, $20 packages. The $20 package, buy and sell trade alerts. Again, you could save 15% off if you just pay annually with either package. Okay, back to the topic at hand here. Should you buy Crypto.com coin in December 2021? Excuse me. And I do have my coffee, and yes, this is not the first sip, but it's one of the first sips. Okay. Should you buy Crowcoin in December 2021? All right, so Crypto.com, of course, a mid-sized cryptocurrency right now with big ambitions. The exchange is growing rapidly. It's adding 2 million users per year, but I think that number is going to be much, much higher this year and 2022. They are headquartered in Singapore. They started a few years ago, and it counts Matt Damon as one of its investors. Its domain name was previously a blog whose owner sold it for about 25 million. That's pretty cool. In the past few months, Crypto.com has made several major announcements, and they have inked several major partnerships, okay? A major deal was leading sponsor of Formula One. Its logo is now one of the most prominent brands in all of racing. This was the most important move because the rising popularity of the sport. Now, UFC, how about that deal? Huge, major UFC deal, 10 years, 175 million. Then, Staples Center, now named Crypto.com Arena in a $700 million deal. Now, these investments in sports are important to the company. For one, they'll make it more popular among young people, and most importantly, it's going to help them become a huge brand in the NFT space. Crypto.com has also made headlines on Wednesday this week when it announced it would acquire 2 exchanges from IG Group. It will spend more than $200 million to acquire Natix and Small Exchange. So what's next for the Crow price? Well, right now we're currently sitting at 70 cents. And if you're looking at this saying, man, I wish I would have got in, I still think you have time. Now, I would wait for a little bit more of a pullback into the 60s. We have seen this support kind of hang here at 70. As you can see here, this is the 1 day, but if we go out to the 7 day, hopefully our data loads here on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap's been really wonky. Okay, so a couple times we saw, this was back on the 26th, it dipped down to like 65 cents. Great opportunity there. If you can get it below 70 right now, in my opinion, never financial advice, I think it's a great get still, okay? And again, you go out to the 1 month, you can see what this thing has done. It has absolutely exploded. Now, if you're planning on holding this for the long term, I still think you can get in this. Again, right around this 70 cent mark is a good mark. If you could wait till it dips a little bit below there like it did right here, that's really solid, okay? But overall, the volume is kind of flattened out a little bit. We're kind of in a consolidation phase. It's a good time to go hunting for assets right now in this consolidation and slash a little bit of a dip phase for Crowcoin. So bouncing in here, the Crowcoin price had an excellent month in November. The performance pushed its market cap to more than 16 billion, and its ranking to about 14. It actually got all the way to 13, I believe. Recently, however, this momentum has faded just a bit, and the coin has fallen by double digits. Indeed, it reacted mildly to acquisitions made on Wednesday. The coin is hovering at the same level as the 25-day and 50-day moving averages, which that's why it's finding so much support there. Now, here's the thing. We were up here on 11.24. We got all the way up to 97 cents. That is huge. Almost got to $1, and I still think we could break that dollar barrier this year, but if you're looking at this saying, I want to get some piece of Crowcoin, here's the other thing to think about. Over on Crypto.com, you could stake large amounts of Crowcoin and get unbelievable additional staking rewards, right? So check out what they have over there. Of course, I'm a proud sponsor. I just did put a video out talking about some of the options you have in this realm, but this is mostly about the Crowcoin. Love this platform, love this asset. Still think you're pretty early in getting in here because I think this could rival Binance one day. I really do. I think this is heading to be one of the top crypto exchanges in all the land. So that's what I've got for you. Again, Patreon link down below in the description. Can't wait for you to come over and join us. See you in the next video.